back to the channel. Today we're back on this FK8. In a previous video we fitted the Eventure induction kit, which seen huge gains. I think it was like 30 horsepower, 40 foot-pound of torque, massive gains, which is fantastic. Today the next stage is to fit. Here comes somebody.
It was one of your people.
Yeah.
Quickly get this bit done.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, install the Hondata Flash Pro, and start to set up and start to tune the car to see exactly what the gains are, and then we'll show you a few of the additional features like the launch control, roll anti-lag, stuff like that as well. 357 and 367. It's getting around 30 foot-pound of torque. Holy can't say that. We just finished the run there after loading our first tune into the car. See what sort of gains we've got. So once again, yeah, it's gained really well. So went from 347 horsepower to 357 horsepower, and from 331 torque to 367 torque. I think you've probably going to put a picture of it up.
I'll
put
the graph up, yeah,
the graph up
100%.
so you can see it. So yeah, it's more good gains. So we're not going to push the car much on for now. This is the first FK8 we've tuned on Hondata Flash Pro. So with a bit more development work I want to do on my own, and then we'll see about pushing this one further. It is going to need intercooler. The IATs, as everybody knows with these cars, it's just, yeah, we're over 90 degrees now, so something we need to look at as well when we're addressing as we push the car harder and boost pressure. But yep, it's another one that's moving forward and moving in the right direction, so we're pretty happy. It's just been everything we've done to it now, it's gaining, which is good. So that's the end of this video. All the parts that we've fitted this car and we've been discussing on the FK8s are all available on our new website, which is up and running now, typechannel9.com, which the link will be in the description. We're doing more to this, so make sure you stay posted, subscribe to the channel, and please give the video a like. Before you go, we're going to show you the launch control.